If you want to hide apps on iPhone 16e, first of all, you will have to set up Face ID. I'm gonna quickly show you where it is located if you don't know. So you have to open the settings, move into Face ID and passcode, and you have to open those settings, and here you can simply set up your Face ID. Now, you have to also remember that this option it's not supported for every application. But if you want to check this, you have to click and hold with your finger on the application that you want to hide and select Require Face ID and select Hide and Require Face ID. Now I will have to input my passcode or scan my face. Then you have to select Hide Application, and as you can see, it will disappear. So right now you actually cannot get access into this application anymore. And when you go here, you can find all of these hidden apps after you scan your face. So now we can get access into this one.